Maurishka, talk with me first of all about Cisco Home, the age of it, that you're in High Point now with manufacturing, and a little bit for those who don't know about Cisco Home.
Sure, so we're a family business. We opened in 1990 in Los Angeles. We've always manufactured in the States. End of 2023, we moved 100% of our production to North Carolina.
Talk with me about the look of Cisco Home and how you have evolved or stayed true.
Cisco Home has definitely evolved in the last 35 years in its look. We really started with the slipcover and kind of the white denim slipcover and the blue denim slipcover, and that was kind of what I think brought us to fame. And then we really did a really full transition of what the company looks like when we decided we were just doing natural materials. So it was just like linen, denim, cotton, hemp. So kind of really took us into a really natural, casual look, which I think is still part of the thread today.
What's new at Cisco Home this market?
Lots of color for us, and it doesn't feel like colorful, I think, for people who like color, but we have tomato red in the line, like that's brand new. We've got this curry color that's brand new. Happy blue, happy yellow, that's new for us for sure. And then we really like to partner with friends who have different product lines who layer in with our product very nicely. The rugs are from Asia Minor. We have the bedding from Adeline. We have some case goods from Wise Living. We have art on the walls from Zoe Bios. And so we really like to pick our friends that make us look better and show each other off, really. We very much believe in you create your space, and the space that you live in really can affect how you are, it can affect your mood, it can affect how you approach your day. And we really hope to help people find their own voice in their own home. My dad and I used to talk all the time. It's like, it's fine if a home doesn't look perfect or isn't necessarily my style or our style, but if it's authentic, it's like, oh cool, they put something together that really is them, versus when you walk into a space and it's just like, oh, these are all just good choices, but they're not personal choices.